So good morning children. So today I'm going to start that exercise number 5.2 and a question related to the nth term of an AP. So in the last class we have learned how to derive nth term of an AP, the nth term of an AP, and some problems we have solved related to nth term of an AP. So today we'll continue the same topic. So today I'm recording my videos in a different mode. Due to some problems I am unable to record the video in the class. So I hope all will see the video. Okay, so let's continue the classes. Okay, so suppose so in the last class we have learned the nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP is what? What is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So a is what? First term, and n is what? The position of that term, and d is the common difference. An is the nth term. It may be term number 4, it may be term number 6, 7, 8, or okay. So now let us try to do one question related to this one. So it is this question I have taken from the example. So let us try to try to solve this question. See, this question is determine the AP. Means we have to form an AP. हमको क्या करना है? एक AP बनाना है. AP form करना है. Whose third term is 5 and 7 term is 9. Third term is given and 7 term is given 9. So with the help of these two information we have to form an what? AP means arithmetic progression series. So to form an AP, we should know the first term and D. If we know these two things, we can form an AP very easily. Okay, so first we have to find out the A. A means what? Common difference. First term, and D is the common difference. That is the main aim of doing this question. First, we'll try to find out A, and second, we'll try to find out what? Common difference. So let us try to solve this question. So determine the AP whose third term. Third term means A3. A3 is equal to what? 5. Third term is what? 5. A3 is equal to 5. So this A3 can I how I can write? You see, A3 is equal to 5. So A3. So here n is 3. Correct? So A plus n minus 1d. So A3 I can write A plus n. What is n here? 3. 3 minus 1 d is equal to 5. Okay, so it implies a plus 2d is equal to what? 5. This is equation number 1 we got. Correct? So now the next condition is given. 7 term is what? 9. 7 term is 9. So a7 is equal to 9. So similarly you form one more equation like this. So A7 you can write A plus n minus 1d. A is what here? A only, plus n. N is what? 7. So 7 minus 1 d. D is we don't know. So we can write d only. Okay. So is equal to how much? 9. So it implies A plus 7 minus 1 what? 6. 6d is equal to 9. Correct? So now this become two equation. Now you see equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you see here, if you see these two equation, it exactly looks like the linear equation in two variable or not. Here the unknown variable is what? A, and unknown variable is D. Here also unknown variable is A, and unknown variable is another unknown variable is D. So it exactly looks like so the linear equation in two variables. It's a linear equation in two variables. So you know in linear equation in two variables how we are solving a linear equation in two variables? By elimination method, by cross multiplication method, or by what? Variable separable method. So I will solve this equation with the help of what? Elimination method. So first equation, A plus 2d is equal to 5, and second one, A plus 6d is equal to 5. Correct? 5d is equal to 9. So now you subtract it. So when you will subtract, this will become minus, this is plus, it become minus, and this is plus, this become what? Minus. Okay, so a cancel. So minus 6d plus 2d, it is minus 4d is equal to minus 9 plus 4, it is minus 4. So d what we got, this minus 4 cancel, so d, or you can write like this also, 4d is equal to minus 4d is equal to minus 4. So d is equal to, we got minus cancel, 4 by 4, so is equal to 1. So d we got 1. Now we have to find out the value of what, d, correct? So now put this value in this equation. So a plus twice d is equal to 5. Okay. So now what you do, a plus 2d, the value of d you put here. So 2 into d we got 1, so is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5, 2 1 are 2, 5 minus 2, so a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3. So now we got our what, d we got a also. Okay, so now we can form a what, arithmetic progression series. So in the last class I told you how to form a what, arithmetic progression. What is the general term or of a what, arithmetic progression? The general term of the arithmetic progression, a first term is a, so a is equal to what, 1. What is the second term, a plus d, means 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Second term, third term, a plus twice d, so we can write a plus 2 into what is d here, 3. So a is what here, 1. So 1 plus 2 into 3, so 1 plus 2 3 is 6 is equal to 7. Okay, so like this the series become 1 4 7 dot 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 dot. Okay, this is the series. Okay, so like this we can solve this type of problem. I hope it is clear to you. Whenever you will get such type of question, you have to do by this method. Okay. Okay, now let us see one more question. The question is, check whether 301 is a term of the list of the number 5, 11, 17, 23 dot dot dot. Means here one series is given. Okay, 5, 11, 17, 23, here one series is given. In this series, whether this number 301 is lies or not, you have to find out. Are you getting the question or not? Once again, check whether 301 is a term of the list of number 5, 11, 17, 23. So here one series is there. So many numbers are there in this series. Here 5, 11, 17, 23. So many numbers are there in this series. And you have to find out whether 301 is lies in this series or not. That is the question. Okay. So for solving this type of problems, what you have to do? You have to find out the value of n. Okay, what you have to find, this n you have to find out. If n is a whole number, then this number will lies in the series. Remember, if n is not a whole number, this number does not lies in the series. So let us find out the value of what, n here in this question. Correct? Is it clear to you? So if it is if n is coming what, whole number, then alright, this number is lies in the series. If it is a fractional number, then it does not lies on this series. Okay, so let us try to solve this question. So we know our formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is our formula. Correct? So now here nth term. What is the nth term here? Nth term, we are asking about this term. 300. This will be your nth term, 301. And what is a here? A is 5. And what is d? We have to find out. And n, the main question is n we have to find out, and after finding we will get our answer. So here in this question, an is equal to 301, a is equal to 5, then d is equal to 11 minus 5, so is equal to 6. So these are the things. Now put this value in this formula. Okay, so an is equal to 301 is equal to a is 5 plus n minus 1, and we have to find out here. So n, I will write n only, n minus 1. D, what is d? D is 6 into 6. So transpose this 5 to this side, it become 301 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 6. So n minus 1 6, so is equal to, it implies 301 minus 5, so it is 11 minus 5 6, so here 9, 296. 296 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So we have to find out the value of n here. So 296 divided by 6, so is equal to n minus 1, correct? So n, you make it isolated, 296 by 6 plus 1 is equal to n. Okay, so n we got, n is equal to, take the LCM, 6. So 296 plus 6, so n is equal to 6 plus 6 12, 1 plus 9 10, 1 plus 9 10, 1 plus 2 3, 302 divided by 6. Okay, so if we solve this, it is not means you cannot cancel 302 by 6, means it is a what type of number? This is a fractional number. So n we got a fractional number. So earlier I told, if you will get n as a fractional number, this question means this number is not lies in the series. So therefore we can write, therefore n is a fractional number. N is a fractional number. Fractional number. Therefore 301 is not a term of this AP. Okay, so when you will get this type of question, you have to do like this. Okay, so I am giving some different type of question I am discussing, so that it will be easy for you to do the exercise. This type of problems you will get in the exercise. Again, this type of problem also you will get in the exercise. Now we will see one more question that is very important question. So let us try to discuss this question. Okay, suppose one question is there. The question is like this: how many two-digit number are divisible by 3? So question is, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? This is the question. Okay, very interesting question. And this type of questions, many times this type of question was asked in what, NTSC, then you can say some then NMMS examination. So if you will know this chapter clearly, you can solve this type of problem very easily. So let us try to do what type of question this one. Let us try to do. Now the question is, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So you see, two-digit number, it start from 10. कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं? 10 से शुरू होते हैं, and it will end at 99. Okay, so many numbers are there in between: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, up to 9. So many two-digit numbers are there. Okay, now the question is, so out of this two digits number from 10 to 99, how many digits are there which are divisible by 3? Okay, कितना इधर में नंबर्स है 10 से लेके 99 तक जो 3 से तुम डिवाइड कर सकते हो, वो 3 से डिविजिबल है. दैट वन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. अंडरस्टूड? सो इफ यू टेक आउट योर पेन एंड पेंसिल एंड इफ यू आर going to divide the numbers one by one, it will take a very long time, more than 1 hour it will take time. Okay, so now with the help of AP, I can find out the series very I can solve this problem very easily. So let us see how to do this problem. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So first of all, at least two number you have to find out by yourself. So 10. You see 10 two-digit number start from 10. Whether 10 is divisible by 3? No. Whether 11 is divisible by 3? No. Whether 12 is divisible by 3? Yes, 12 is divisible. First of all, you make the series 12. Okay. One more you find out. 12 is divisible by 3. Then whether 13 is divisible by 3? No. Whether 14 is divisible by 3? No. Whether 15 is divisible by 3? Yes. So 15 is divisible by 3. So at least first two terms you find out by this method. Okay. Now the last term. How you will find out? मतलब 10 से लेके 99 तक का बीच में फर्स्ट दो टर्म तो हमने निकाल लिया जो ये दिस टू नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3। अभी हमको क्या निकालना है, लास्ट कौन जो नंबर है 10 से लेके 99 का बीच में कौन सा नंबर 3 से डिवाइड हम कर सकते हैं। सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको क्या करना है, आई विल गिव यू वन सिंपल ट्रिक। दिस 99 को 3 से डिवाइड करो। ओके 3 से डिवाइड करो। सो 3 जा 9 and 3 3 is okay, what is the technique to find out the last term? 3 3 is 9, so 0 9, so 3 3 is 9, so remainder how much we got? Remainder we got 0. Now what you have to do, आपको क्या करना है, ये 99 को ये 0 के साथ क्या कर देना है, माइनस कर देना है। मीन्स 99 माइनस 0, so is equal to 99. Okay, so last term of the which is the last two digit number which is divisible by 99, which is divisible by 3 is 99. ये 99. Okay, so this is the method actually. Okay, 99 to we can by seeing the number also we can find out, yes, 99 is divisible by 3, but some problems you cannot find out directly, so you have to follow this method. All right, is it clear to you? So now let us try to do this problem. Okay, so now here, so we got the series here. So a is equal to how much? 12. D is equal to, common difference is 15 minus 12, so is equal to 3. And the last term an is last term भी बोलता है, और nth term an is equal to 99. So our formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. So now can you tell me what thing we have to find here? How many two digit number are divisible by 3? मतलब ऐसा कितना तो नंबर है, 12 15 ऐसा करके how many numbers are there which are divisible by 3? That is the question actually. Means हमको इधर में क्या निकालना है, n निकालना है. This n you have to find out. Correct? So now an is how much? 99. So here you write 99 is equal to a is what? 12 plus n minus, n is how much here? We have to find out. N minus 1 d is 3. Okay, so very easy question. 99 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So it is 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 2 7, then 9 minus 1 87. So is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 87 by 3. So it is, if you will cancel, 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27. So n minus 1 is equal to 29. So n is equal to 29 plus minus 1 you transpose to that side, n is equal to, we will get what? 30. So how many numbers, two digit numbers are there which is divisible by what? 3? That is what? 30. This is the question answer. Okay, therefore 30 two digits number are divisible by what? So like this we can solve this type of problem. Okay, let us see. So now let us see one more question. Find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. Find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. Means one series is given 10 7 4 minus 62. So one series is given. Now you have to find out the 11th term from the last term. Means from, not from this side. Not from this side. You have to find out the 11th term from this side. इधर से आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Okay. So from this side, if you will see the from this side, if you will see the 11th term may be different, and from this side also, if you will see the 11th term may be different. Okay. So if we have to find out the nth term from the last term, what we have to do? आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा इस समय? A, this is the last term here, so A you take minus 62. Okay. Now D को क्या करना है? Earlier what we are doing to find the D, 4 minus 7 लेता था, 7 minus 10 लेता. Now उल्टा ले लेना है. 7 minus 10 minus 7 you have to take now, or 7 minus 4 you have to take. So D we can find out 10 minus 7, not 7 minus 10, not 4 minus 7. D you can find out 10 minus 7 is equal to what? 3. Because this question is little bit different. We have to find out the 11th term from the what? Last term. आगे से नहीं बोल रहे आपको, पीछे से आपको 11th term निकालना है इधर में. Okay, so in that case आप A ये लीजिए, don't take A this one, you take A this one, and the common difference what you do, that common difference you take like this, 10 minus 7 or 7 minus 4, like not like earlier. Now we can find out very easily this question. So our formula is A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, correct? So A n. So what which term we have to find? We have to find the 11th term. So A11 is equal to A. What is A here? Is minus 62 plus n minus 1 D. So n what we have to find? 11 n is what? 11 here. So here you write 11 minus 1 into D. D is what? 3. So A11 is equal to minus 62 plus 11 minus 1, 10, 10 into 3. Okay. So A11 is equal to minus 62 plus 30. So what we will get? We will get 2, then minus 30. Okay, so remember dear children, whenever you will get such type of question, means you have to find out the term from the last term, then you have to follow this method. Okay, so now that examples questions I have already solved, almost all the question I have solved here. Okay, so now the exercise is left, so we'll in the next class we will see the exercise 5.2. okay.